Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the natural gas price, I have already told you in the beginning that once this range breaks upside, we can see a further upside movement. You can go and check my previous video also, where I have clearly told you that once if it goes above a level of 6.7, we can see it can move further upside, because this is the range which has since 2009 it was continuously in this particular zone. So whenever there is a breakout upside or downside after 4-5 years or a long period, then we can see there can be a good movement. So we have seen a good movement at this particular level. It made a high of around 9.073, and from there again we have seen it has come down to a level of 6.5, which is a resistance, which is a strong support, and from there we have seen again a bounce back. Any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, even forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in commodities and other forex and stocks are working. And if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the price. Now currently trading at around 8.119. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see that 8.2 is a strong support. Okay, now trading below that level. So what we can see that if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 7.959. okay, 7.956. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of 7.914, and if that level also goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 7.694. okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down to a level of 7.524, and from there we can see it can move further down to a level of 7.166. okay, once this level goes downside, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 7.059, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 6.718. okay, and understand something, 6.718 is a strong support. If the price goes below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of 6.547, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 6.376. Once these 6.376 support breaks downside, then we can see a probability of going more further down to a level of 5.9 is where it will be high. But till the time these supports are not break downside, we can see further upside movement or a bounce back. But suppose if the price sustain this particular level, okay, this particular support is already being broken. If you see 8.919, okay, suppose if the price goes above this particular level and sustain above this level 8.191, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 8.298. okay, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 8.405. okay, suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 8.554, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.661. okay, and this level is already being tested here. Again I repeat, if the price sustain a level of 8.191, we can see it can touch a level of 8.277. okay, and this level is already being tested here twice, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.319. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.405. okay, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.576. okay, and once this level goes upside, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.661. okay, and this 8.661 is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.704, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 9.003. Suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 9.109. okay, and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of 9.494. okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 9.669. okay, and once if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 10.052, and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be very high. We can see it can touch a level of 10.20243. okay, once the price goes above $10, I will make another video. I will explain you where it can move. And something, suppose if you are trading is risky, you have to understand that. Okay, some of the things which I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of your capital per trade. That comes to around 1000 to 1500. Risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that will be around $50 to $100 per trade. Okay, so now if you take 5 trades, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and all are in loss, suppose $100 per trade, that is maximum loss of $500. So what you should do is, you should not trade for that particular day, exit the trades, and the next day you can focus more on the profit rather than recovering this particular amount, because this is a small risk. Okay, so the next day you can focus more on profit rather than recovering this amount. What people do is they lose most of their capital. Okay, and the next day what they do is they try to recover that particular amount for which they lose their full capital. Okay, that is when the problem arises. Okay, they will lose their full capital. So you can mail me. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, you can mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.